Stay tuned to see my super simple technique on how I installed these passion twists. I had previously installed them with the rubber band method, but to be honest, y'all, I got scared a little bit and started thinking about the rubber band yanking out my hair, so I decided to just restart the whole thing without the rubber band. I would say you can use any type of passion twist hair that you like, but if you want the results that I got, it looks the most natural to me, use this hair. I mean, look at it. Look at my twist and then look at the passion twist. It's almost identical, it's just more length to it, and I love it. So after taking out that rubber band, which I'm glad I did, I moisturized my hair and then I began to braid at the root and twist the rest of the way down to prepare for installing the passion twist. To me, braiding at the root makes for a neater look, but don't braid too tight. We're already going to twist the passion twist in and all of that. You don't want to put too much added tension to your hair. You want your hairstyle to be comfortable. Okay, so after you fluff the hair, you're going to take one side and add your hair to the extensions. You're going to twist it and then you're going to rotate the opposite direction that you twisted. So you're going to twist, and rotate. I hope that makes sense after hearing it back. I don't know if it's making the most sense, but I'm gonna give you like 2 or 3 more shots of this. So hopefully by the end of this video, you will have it. No, I'm gonna go ahead and say it. By the end of this video, you will have it. Side note, if you want your twist to have a more uniform look, keep your fingers close together as you're twisting down. I wanted a more natural look. This is the look I was going for. So I kept it tight enough to hold the style, but loose enough to create those dips and dives. If you know, you know. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, to recap everything, first you moisturize. Then you braid up your hair. And last but certainly not least, you twist individually with the thumb and the pointer finger on both sides, and then rotate. Twist and rotate, twist and rotate. Alright, this is the second time I showed you, and I'm about to show you a third time close up so that you can really get the hang of doing this. You got this. I zoomed in and you can really see the twist and rotate that I'm telling you about. You keep that in mind while you're doing it, and I promise you'll have it. I didn't even do this in front of a mirror. I sat down on the couch and was just watching TV. The thing I like most about styles like this is the access to your scalp so that you can moisturize that scalp, girl. So that's all to it. That's how I did my passion twist. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see y'all in my next video.